Planning a trip should be exciting, not overwhelming. With so many details to consider, it's easy to feel stressed. Fortunately, there's a simple way to organize everything and enjoy a smooth, hassle-free experience. Step 1. Choose the destination and dates. Start by selecting a destination that fits your budget and travel goals. Lock in your travel dates early to get the best deals on flights and accommodations. If flexibility is an option, traveling during the off-season can save money and reduce crowds. Step 2. Set a budget. Determine how much to spend on flights, hotels, food, transportation, and activities. Factor in extra costs like travel insurance, luggage fees, and tips. A budget-friendly approach ensures financial peace of mind while maximizing the experience. Step 3. Book flights and accommodations early. Flights and hotels tend to increase in price the closer it gets to departure. Use comparison websites to find the best rates and set price alerts to catch deals. Consider alternative accommodations like vacation rentals or boutique hotels for unique stays. Step 4. Plan an itinerary without overbooking. A balanced itinerary includes must-see attractions, dining experiences, and time for relaxation. Prioritize top activities while allowing flexibility for unexpected discoveries. Booking key experiences in advance prevents last-minute stress. Step 5. Pack smart and light. Packing efficiently saves time and avoids unnecessary baggage fees. Stick to essentials, check the weather forecast, and use a packing list to stay organized. A carry-on with travel-sized toiletries and important documents keeps everything within reach. Step 6. Arrange transportation and local travel. Research public transport options, ride-sharing apps, or car rentals in advance. Understanding how to navigate a new city before arriving makes the experience smoother. Step 7. Prepare important documents and essentials. Check passport expiration dates, visa requirements, and necessary vaccinations. Make digital and physical copies of travel documents, including hotel confirmations and emergency contacts. A well-prepared traveler avoids unnecessary hassles. A stress-free trip starts with early planning, smart budgeting, and a flexible itinerary. With everything in place, the journey becomes more enjoyable. Take the time to prepare, and traveling will feel effortless from start to finish.